Want your car to sound like a roaring beast or a purring kitten? Stick around, because today we're counting down the top 10 aftermarket exhausts that'll give your ride the perfect sound. Trust me, your neighbors will hear you coming. If you've ever driven past a car that sounded like it belonged on a racetrack and thought, I want that, this video is for you. We're talking about the best aftermarket exhausts that'll transform your car's sound from meh to music. Whether you want a deep rumble, a high-pitched scream, or something in between, we've got you covered. Let's rev it up. Borla ATAK exhaust, the road's loudest battle cry. Let's be honest, some exhausts purr, some growl, but the Borla ATAK, this thing roars. If your idea of a perfect morning is waking up the whole neighborhood with a sound that screams race ready, you found your match. ATAK stands for Advanced Technology Acoustic Tuning, but all you really need to know is that this exhaust makes your car sound like it just escaped from a racetrack. It's aggressive, unapologetic, and guaranteed to make pedestrians snap their heads around as you drive by. And it's not just noise for the sake of it. Borla crafts their systems with high-quality stainless steel that resists corrosion and lasts for years. So while your car is out there shaking the ground, you won't have to worry about your exhaust system wearing out anytime soon. Fair warning though, starting this thing up at 6 a.m. might not make you the most popular person on your block. But hey, that's the price of sounding awesome. MagnaFlow Street Series, the smooth operator. Maybe you want that deep, performance-inspired rumble, but without making enemies in your neighborhood. Enter the MagnaFlow Street Series, the perfect balance between power and civility. MagnaFlow is famous for its straight-through design, which reduces back pressure and improves exhaust flow, meaning you get better performance and a richer, deeper tone. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it's got just enough attitude to let people know you mean business. And let's talk durability. Stainless steel construction means this system is built to last, so you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. If the Borla ATAK is the heavy metal concert of exhausts, the MagnaFlow Street Series is smooth jazz, sophisticated, refined, and just the right amount of boldness. Flowmaster Outlaw Series, the rebel with a cause. Some exhausts whisper, some grumble. The Flowmaster Outlaw Series, it shouts. If you want an exhaust that announces your presence before you even hit the gas, this is the one for you. Designed for maximum sound and performance, the Outlaw Series delivers a raw, aggressive tone that makes your car sound like it's straight out of a Hollywood chase scene. It's the kind of sound that turns heads, drops jaws, and makes people feel the power of your engine. But let's be real, this one isn't for the faint of heart. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it will definitely let your neighbors know every time you leave for work. If you're okay with that, or just don't care, this might be the best upgrade you'll ever make. Here's an interesting fact about exhausts. Did you know that car exhausts are actually tuned like musical instruments? It's not just about making noise. Engineers carefully design exhaust systems using acoustic chambers, resonators, and specialized piping to create the perfect sound. Brands like Ferrari and Porsche spend years perfecting their exhaust notes to evoke emotion, and some even work with sound engineers to fine-tune every growl and pop. And here's something wild. Some modern cars, especially luxury and performance models, actually enhance their exhaust sounds using hidden speakers. Yep, what you hear inside the cabin might not be pure engine noise, but a carefully crafted illusion blending real exhaust sounds with digitally amplified effects. That deep V8 rumble in some cars, part exhaust, part technology. Corsa Performance Exhaust, the Rockstar of the road. If you're the type who wants your car to sound exotic, like it just rolled out of a supercar factory, the Corsa Performance Exhaust is calling your name. Thanks to its reflective sound cancellation, RSC technology, Corsa gives you a crisp, high-pitched exhaust note with zero annoying drone. That means you get an incredible sound when you accelerate, but none of that dull hum when you're cruising. And let's not forget about looks. This thing is as polished as its sound. Made from premium stainless steel with stunning finishes, it's an upgrade that makes a statement before you even start the engine. If your car was a rock band, the Corsa Performance exhaust would be the lead guitarist. Flashy, loud, and impossible to ignore. Loving this list so far? Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome car content. Let's keep the countdown going. MBRP exhaust, the budget beast. Looking for a deep, aggressive sound that won't have your wallet crying for mercy? MBRP has your back. Known for its affordable aluminized steel construction, MBRP exhausts deliver a bold, throaty rumble at a fraction of the cost of high-end systems. Whether you drive a truck, SUV, or muscle car, this exhaust adds just the right amount of attitude, giving your ride a commanding presence on the road. And here's the best part, it's easy to install. No complicated modifications, no breaking the bank, just a simple bolt-on upgrade that instantly enhances your ride's sound, throttle response, and even fuel efficiency. Plus, with MBRP's corrosion-resistant options, you can count on durability even in tough weather conditions. If you're looking for an exhaust that delivers serious performance, an aggressive tone, and long-lasting reliability, all without an outrageous price tag, MBRP is the ultimate budget-friendly beast. Invidia N1 exhaust, the samurai sword of sound. If you're rolling in a Japanese tuner car, the Invidia N1 isn't just an exhaust, it's a statement. Inspired by racing heritage, this system is designed for maximum performance, delivering a deep, aggressive growl that makes every drive feel like a track day. Whether you're hitting the highway or carving through back roads, the N1 ensures your car sounds as fast as it feels. Lightweight construction? Check. Performance gains? Absolutely. That signature burnt titanium tip? Oh yeah, it's not just for show. It's a mark of precision engineering and racing pedigree. Whether you're in a Subaru WRX, Honda Civic Type R, Nissan 370Z, or any JDM beast, this exhaust is built to unlock its full potential, improving airflow, reducing back pressure, and enhancing throttle response. Think of it like this. If your car was a ninja, the Invidia N1 would be its katana. Razor sharp, precise, and ready for battle. It's not just about sound, it's about making a bold statement every time you hit the gas. ATAK tuning exhaust, the Maestro of performance. Looking for an exhaust that delivers the perfect blend of power and refinement? The AWE tuning exhaust is the answer. This system uses 180 technology, which eliminates drone while delivering a deep, aggressive exhaust note. Translation? You get that mean, powerful tone when you want it, but none of that annoying highway hum when you don't. It's the perfect balance, like having the best of both worlds wrapped up in a beautifully handcrafted package. And speaking of craftsmanship, AWE doesn't cut corners. This thing is built to last, making it a top-tier option for performance enthusiasts. If your car was an orchestra, the AWE tuning exhaust would be the conductor. Precise, controlled, and absolutely flawless. ARC Performance Exhaust, the classy rebel. The ARC Performance Exhaust is what happens when power meets elegance. It's got that deep, throaty rumble that announces your presence, but with a level of sophistication that makes it just as fitting for luxury sports cars as it is for muscle machines. ARC is known for its meticulous attention to detail, and it shows in the polished stainless steel construction that not only looks stunning, but also enhances durability. It's a premium setup that transforms both the sound and aesthetics of your car. If your car was wearing a tuxedo, the ARC Performance Exhaust would be the bow tie, classy, bold, and impossible to ignore. Billy Boat Exhaust, the smooth operator. For those who want a rich, aggressive exhaust note with a touch of refinement, the Billy Boat Exhaust is a prime choice. Handcrafted to perfection, this system delivers a deep, throaty roar without being overwhelming, making it ideal for high performance in luxury sports cars. And let's talk looks. This exhaust isn't just about sound. The polished stainless steel finish makes it look like a piece of automotive art, ensuring your car stands out even when parked. If your car was a fine wine, the Billy Boat exhaust would be the cork, sealing in quality, smoothness, and just the right amount of boldness. Akrapovič exhaust, the gold standard. And finally, the king of the exhaust world, Akrapovič. If you want the absolute best in performance, sound, and craftsmanship, this is the exhaust you need. Known for its lightweight titanium construction and perfectly tuned sound, the Akrapovič exhaust gives your car a raw, motorsport-inspired tone while also improving power-to-weight ratio. It's the go-to choice for supercars and high-performance builds, and for good reason. It's an engineering masterpiece. It's loud when you need it, subtle when you don't, and every bit as premium as it looks. If your car was a masterpiece, the Akrapovič exhaust would be the signature, the final touch of perfection. And there you have it, the top 10 aftermarket exhausts for a perfect sound. From the aggressive Borla ATAK to the luxurious Akrapovič, these exhausts will transform your car's sound and turn heads wherever you go. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments.